Hi guys, welcome to Honest, Straightforward Reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. Hi guys, we're looking at the LG 27GL 850 monitor today. Let's start off with the pros. Outstanding response time of just 1 millisecond. You can't go wrong with that. I personally use this monitor for my daily use and I have to say I really like it. Wide viewing angle with great peak brightness, and it handles reflections really well. I haven't had a problem with reflections. Great low input lag. I really love that about it as well. I loved how it can be raised, lowered, tilted, turned, and on top of that it can be rotated as well, making it both versatile and useful for gaming, at the office, or in a business. Easy to set up out of the box with everything from just clip-in stands to plug-and-play monitor. I loved it. It was good to go. Fantastic refresh rate of 144 Hertz, making it smooth, and the color accuracy is really awesome as well. I really liked it because I really work with a lot of stuff that need the color accuracy to be right up there. The price is another thing that I really loved about this screen, and the size 27-inch is really good as well. Works well with both NVIDIA and AMD GPUs, which is a real plus for me, as I hate seeing monitors and companies trying to limit me in as to what I can use them with. Cons: limited ergonomics. A little disappointed in the darkroom as it has a disappointing contrast ratio and poor black uniformity, making it strenuous on the eyes. Decent for gaming in HDR, which is mainly due to the great gaming performance, its low lag input, and excellent response time, which mean fast moving objects don't blur. Unfortunately, it can't get bright enough to bring out highlights properly, which is the main job of HDR in my view. Having said that, it has 1 millisecond response rate. I feel like this was a bit of a marketing strategy that LG used. In real life, I found that you have to bump it up to a setting which is called faster for the screen response time, and when you do that there was a lot of ghosting happening. However, when I had it on fast response time, which is not 1 millisecond, it did not ghost, and when it's ghosting it looks really ugly, especially if you're gaming. Verdict: when looking for a monitor, I would recommend that you look at Asus as a company. I really love them. They build their technologies really well. What I would like you to do is look at the Asus ROG Swift PG279Q, and also the Acer as well, which is Predator XB270HU and the 271HU as well. I would like you guys just to play around with those. However, personally, I am very happy with the LG. LG provides all the panels for Apple's computers, the iMacs and stuff. So I'm really happy with that and that side of things. What I would have liked to see is just the right cabling being introduced in it. I felt like the cabling wasn't quite right. However, I would get this if I was looking at a decent laptop with a good price tag. Thanks, guys. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.